this. So we now have this connected to this, this connected to this, connected to this. Now, how are we going to name this compound? So first, to name this compound, you have to find your longest continuous chain. So what is your longest continuous chain? So let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we have here definitely 1 2 3 4 5. Are we actually making sense? Yep, we are actually making sense. So we have 5 and we have 6. So on our normal basic chemistry, from here should be our parents compound, but no, our parent compound is here, which is 1 2 3 4 5. This is our parent compound. Why? Because of this carbon in these sets has more substituents than this carbon in these sets. So due to this reason, this now bears the parent's name. Now this carbon here now bears the parent's name instead of this, because the carbon by my right hand side has more substituents than that of the left hand side. So due to this reason, this now becomes the parent's name. So what is the parent's name? So the parent's name is pentane, because it is 5 indicating pentane. Since it is 5, it's not indicating pentane. So this definitely will not become a substituent. So since this is not a substituent, we have to call this cyclohexyl. Cyclohexyl, but not just cyclohexyl. If you just say cyclohexyl, meaning that I can draw this structure putting this cyclohexyl in any part I want in this parent's name. So to be more specific, to be more accurate to your naming, you're going to call this tricyclohexyl because it is attached to the tri-carbon. So you're going to call it tricyclohexyl. So let's start naming. Tricyclohexyl 2,2,4-trimethylpentane. Why is this 2,2,4-trimethylpentane? Because there is a methyl group here and there is a methyl group here. So definitely we're going to call this 2,2, not any other thing you're thinking of. It is 2,2 because it is attached to this carbon atom here. So you're going to call this 2,2. So this will now become 2,2, but we do not have just have 2,2. We also have 4. So in this 3 we also have 4, and we also have a substituent which is a methyl also attached at the carbon atom of 4. So we also have a substituent which is we have 2,2, and we also have what?
Hey brilliant minds, this is Sagacious Learners where science comes alive. If you're preparing for Jambo or clinical or GCA, or you're a 100 or medical student studying anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, physics, chemistry or biology, then I have got something special for you. I offer private and group online lessons designed to help you understand deeply and succeed easily. Just send me a WhatsApp message on 08163207065. Don't just study hard, study smart with Sagacious Learners. Let's grow your mind together.
4. So to name this compound, let's call it tricyclohexyl, because this hexyl, instead of hexene, they put YL, is now acting as a substituent. So this is tricyclohexyl 2,2,4 trimethyl, what's our parent's name, which is what? 5, and it's called pentane. So